Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and removing batteries so you don't short anything. Once done, remove the external screws and gently pry the shell apart at the seams. Be careful of ribbon cables and clips. Now inspect the joystick assembly. Look for the cap, retention ring, metal spring or foam grommet, and the PCB mounting points. You're doing this to identify alignment and any broken parts before reassembly. That prevents forcing components and creating new damage. Next, orient the joystick module so its pins and tabs match the PCB holes. This ensures correct X/Y axis alignment. Gently press the spring or foam grommet into the retention cup, then lower the joystick shaft into place until it seats. If the module is soldered, reflow each joint cleanly. If it's a plug, fully insert the connector. Make sure the stick moves smoothly through its full travel without binding before closing the shell, because alignment here prevents drift. And finally, bring the shell halves together, ensuring all internal cables sit in their channels. Engage clips and tighten screws evenly to avoid flex. Reinstall batteries or plug the controller in, then run a quick test. Move the stick through all directions, press the clickable button, and check dead zones in the console or PC calibration tool. If you see drift or no input, reopen and recheck the connector or solder joints. If the internal sensors are damaged, replace the joystick module to restore reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.